You guys have absolutely no idea how good of a business model Fortnite has and how it makes so much money as a result. Yo, what's going on everyone? Shri Kanase here, and in this video, I'm gonna be talking about Fortnite and how Fortnite makes millions of dollars per month and how you can apply their strategies to your Shopify dropshipping store. So before jumping into this video, make sure to hit that like button if you guys are finding value in these videos, and don't forget to subscribe to join the growing family and stay up to date with this quality content. So let's just jump right into it. Well, the first thing I noticed when I thought over the Fortnite business model and how they are able to be so successful is that they're using a loss leader strategy. And basically what loss leader is, for those of you who don't know, it's when someone does the initial purchase at an actual loss. So something like free plus shipping, or even something that you're absolutely handing off for free. That's exactly what a loss leader is. You're bringing in customers at a loss, but you're winning customers and you're getting them to buy more. So the initial loss that you have actually equals to nothing because you're basically hammering them with upsells. And what this does is it actually sucks you in. You have no idea, but it's a psychological effect which happens inside your brain and you just get sucked in. That's why Fortnite has over 1 million users right now. Basically, they joined the game for free and they were so addicted to the game that they got absolutely sucked in. And that is exactly what Fortnite does. They suck you in, then get you addicted to the game and make you internally want to get more. And this is also known as a sales funnel because it's somewhat of a funnel strategy. And what I mean by getting more is that you can either upgrade to enjoy more features. There's actually paid version of Fortnite, or you can buy V-Bucks to buy things inside the game. And this is exactly what happens when someone gets addicted to the game. They start to find ways to become more powerful and find more ways to win in the game. And this results in the person buying V-Bucks or even upgrading the game if they like it that much. And we don't know what's happening, but it's actually again a psychological effect, and this is what makes Fortnite so successful. They're internally targeting you without you even knowing. I mean, how cool is that? And by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can apply their strategies to your own Shopify dropshipping store and be as successful as them. But what this psychological effect is basically that when someone starts playing Fortnite, they have friends or even family members who are playing, and in order to get ahead of everyone else and basically be a winner every single time, they start to buy V-Bucks and buy all sorts of things inside the game just to get ahead. And this is where Fortnite makes all of the money, and also why it's such a good loss leader strategy. It's basically a very unique and killer sales funnel. So how does this relate to Shopify and dropshipping? Why am I even discussing Fortnite and all of this? What you want to be doing is taking Fortnite into consideration, and you want to be creating a sales funnel for your Shopify stores. What I basically mean is you want to create some kind of offers that basically suck your customers in, your potential customers. You want them sucked in and buying the product. And if they don't buy you want their email addresses. Basically, you're going to be upselling them via emails, or if they buy the product, you're going to be upselling them through post-purchase upsells. And I have a video on my channel where I discuss the app that I use for post-purchase upsells and how much success I have had on it. The link should have popped up at the top right by now. But this is what you should be taking from Fortnite, basically creating a sales funnel. And when creating a sales funnel or redesigning your website in order to have more of a sales funnel approach, you want to remember that facts tell, stories and emotions sell. It's like a motto that you want to get stuck inside your head. Repeat it 10 times a day if you have to, but remember, facts tell, stories and emotions sell. You want to include all kinds of emotions that you can inside your ad copy, your store, and also tell a cool story if you can about the product. And some cool loss leader strategies are free plus shipping or discounted offers such as 50% off, 60% off, or even flash sales. These are excellent for driving in customers and basically getting them to enter the email. And once you have their email, or even if you get them to purchase, this is where you can apply the Fortnite strategy and basically do upsellings over and over again to these people. Again, check out my video on the best upsell app you can use to increase your average order value. So the loss that you have, the first initial purchase, which happens to be a loss, is actually turned into 10 times more profit in the long run. And this is exactly how Fortnite makes millions per month and how you can apply it to your Shopify dropshipping store. Last time I checked, Fortnite was absolutely free to play, but I'm absolutely amazed at their sales funnel strategy and their overall business model. It's very unique and something that every dropshipping individual should take into consideration. So I hope this did put a little more light on what you should be doing with your Shopify stores in 2018 and how you can sort of have a loss leader approach to your Shopify store and make much more money as a result. If you guys did find value in this video, make sure to hit that like button. It's 12 a.m. right now, but I love you guys so much that I'm up right now filming this video for you. But don't forget to subscribe if you guys are finding value in these videos to stay up to date again, and I'll see you guys next time.